guys, it's me Rachel, and today I'm back with a makeup video this time, not a hair video. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup. So this is a look that I would do going anywhere really. It's just really simple. I love my browns and I love to just be basic these days. So yeah, basically I just did my foundation, concealer, and a lip, and a winged eyeliner, and a lash. So yeah, if you guys want to see my everyday makeup, then just keep watching. So for primer, I've been using this Dr. Brandt Illumizing primer. I've been using this a whole lot since I got it in my BoxyCharm, and I like it. The next thing that I've been trying out is the Becca First Light Priming Filter, and I got this sent to me from Octoly. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can sign up. Sorry my makeup bag is so dirty, y'all, but and this feels really good. It smells good. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be color correcting in some way. Yeah, it says instant complexion refresh, and it does feel really refreshing. It's a lot more moisturizing than the Dr. Brandt primer. So to do my eyebrows, I use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Looks like this. Mine is in the shade Espresso. Okay, so moving on to brows, I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, which I've always used this and I love it. It never fails me. And I just apply that with this e.l.f. eyeliner brush, but you can use anything thin. That's what I like to use. So for foundation, y'all, I've been wilding. I mix about 3 different shades. So these are like my top 3 foundations. The Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This is shade 355, even though the lid says 340. I switched them out on accident, but this is it. I'll mix in the Fenty Beauty just because I like the quality of this foundation. The shade is not spot on if you guys watched my review a long time ago. But this is the Pro Filtr Soft Matte, and it's in the shade 400. And then I like to add a little bit of this one because I find that people like it. It's the Maybelline 24 Hour Superstay, and this one is in the shade 355 Coconut again. I use majority Maybelline Fit Me, and then I use like 1 pump of each of the other 2. be using the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Espresso. If you guys watched my review on these, I did say that I felt like they were really drying, which I do still think, but I like them for now. My favorite one to use is a Buttercup Cosmetics Concealing and Contouring Stick. So now I'm gonna add some bronzer, and I'm using the Pure Cosmetics Sculptor bronzing palette, and I usually just mix these two depending, because the bottom shade is actually super deep, so I think I'm just gonna use the lighter one. Setting powder, I use Sacha Buttercup. This also is not my favorite one. My favorite one would have to be the Graftobian setting powder in the shade Banana Cream Pie. That's my go-to. So I'm going to spray my face with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And this is what I use before, after, and like during my makeup. This is the highlighter that I now use every single day ever since I bought it. It's just the perfect golden color. This is the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. And you guys can see just how pretty it is. So I put some on the tip of my finger. And I don't dig in there, but I like make sure it's on there. And then I lightly touch the tip of my nose. So I touch the tip of my nose lightly, and then I take a highlighting brush and I just fan it like up my nose. Then before my face is completely dry, I put it above my contour. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use the NYX Vinyl Liquid Eyeliner. This is the tip. And my everyday eyeliner is a wing. Okay, so I had to do my lashes and mascara off camera, but for lashes, these are just some random ones that I got out of my lash book, which has been coming in handy. I won this in the Missy Lynn giveaway, but this is just a Morphe lash book. And I'm pretty sure they might be Demi Wispies. I'm not sure though, y'all. But I'm just gonna put some mascara on them. And I think I'm gonna start off with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I also won this in the Missy Lynn giveaway. Shout out to you, girl. So yeah, I'm really just putting them on like my lashes and blending them up. And then I'm gonna put some on my bottom lashes. This one that I'm using now is the Voluminous Lash Paradise. And I got this one because Jaclyn Hill said it was really good. I'm also gonna take this Black Up Cosmetics Waterproof Smoky Matte, basically like a pencil. And I'm gonna put this in my eye, my waterline. Okay, y'all, so I had to go get my packages to film my next video, which is gonna be a try-on haul from African Mall, and I am so excited. But yeah, I wanna show you guys what I use on my lips. So I use that same pencil that I put on my waterline. Around my lips, it's just a brown color. And then I went in with this lipstick. It's EBIN, a lipstick in the shade Nudist. So I put that on the center. I already did it. And then I use this NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the shade Cookie Butter, and I put that on top of that. And then last but not least, I use my clear gloss and it just makes it all come together. If you guys have any questions or want to see any other videos, be sure to leave them down below for me, and be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! So easily, who'd ever thought that